So on my video about what to do if you haven't filed tax returns in years, step by step, link to that video at the top right of your screen, Joe Galindo 7632 asked this question: can I claim interest that I didn't file on my house, paying the house, but they were charging me a lot of interest, but I never claimed it? Can I claim it now? Now, Joe, I don't know exactly what you're asking here. I think it could be a number of things. I'm going to tell you what I think those things are and answer each one. Joe, are you saying that you never, because you're watching this video, I'm guessing that you haven't filed the tax returns for these years that you're describing, right? Where there's this interest that you paid. So I think what you're asking is, hey, I didn't file these tax returns. What if I file those returns now? Can I claim the interest on those tax returns? And the answer is yes. Just because you're filing a tax return late doesn't mean you're entitled to the same deductions and credits that you could have taken if you'd filed the tax return on time. Now, caveat about interest on a home, I'm talking about interest on your primary residence here, not like a rental property or a building that you own that you run your business in or something like that. I'm talking about personal, your primary residence, where you live. That's an itemized deduction. Okay, and if the sum of all your itemized deductions, your mortgage interest, there's a cap on that too based on the amount of the mortgage, your charitable contributions, your property taxes and state and local taxes up to $10,000 SALT cap, right? If the sum of all those does not exceed the standard deduction for your filing status and in some cases age and whether you're blind or not, for the year, then it doesn't make sense to itemize. You wouldn't, and so you wouldn't really get a tax benefit, strictly speaking, for the amount of mortgage interest you paid, right? So fundamental to deducting mortgage interest on your home where you live is you got to be itemizing your deductions, okay? But that's not the real spirit of the question. The spirit of the question is, hey, I'm late with filing. Can I still take deductions? The answer is yes. Now, Joe, another thing you might be asking here is, and this is a different question. Hey, I paid all this mortgage interest over the past 5 years. Okay, let's say you paid $40,000 on mortgage interest over the past 5 years or something like this. And now I'm going to file my tax return for this year. Can I add all that mortgage interest that I paid for all those years, add it all together and report that all this year? And the answer is no. You have to report it in the year that you paid it, right? And that it was reported to you on that 1098 from your lender. So that's if that's the nature of your question, then that's the answer there. So Joe, I hope this helps with that question. I hope at least one of those two types of two different questions was what you had in mind. And of course, I welcome these comments and these questions, folks. Thank you for asking them and giving me the opportunity to just share with you just things that I think you should know. If you have unfiled tax returns or you have back tax debt or you have both, give us a call at Choice Tax Relief, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the website, and we will reach out to you. I have some other videos about what to do if you have unfiled tax returns here on the left-hand side of your screen. Give them a watch, leave them a comment, let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.